What do you think? Which one is better, Bard or ChatGPT? Well, in my opinion, at this point of time, hands down, it is ChatGPT which is way ahead of Bard. And I am saying this for a very simple reason that Bard is available to only few people out there and it is quite limited. So maybe in future it might turn out to be better than ChatGPT, but at present point of time, it is the ChatGPT which is quite way ahead as the reach is quite high. And as for the Bard, you have to join the wait list and only after that you will be able to use it, and there are no guarantee that you will be able to use it even after that. And also Bard is not available in all the countries out there, but ChatGPT is. So apart from these, and after going through all the articles and videos on internet, I came to the conclusion that Bard has upper hand in some areas while ChatGPT wins it over when it comes to coding. So if you are trying to write codes even after being a newbie and you need help with the AI, so AI can help you with all the codes. So you should go with the ChatGPT for that. And in case if you are looking to search for something and you don't have enough time for it, then you should go with the Bard, as Bard is quite fast and way faster than ChatGPT when it comes to searching it up for different things. And Bard takes not even a second. Sometimes you just hit enter and Bards give you the answer, exact answer to be precise. So it's about the nature of work that you are looking to get done using AI. So if it's coding, then hands down it is ChatGPT, and if it is about the general things, then Bard might come handy for the speed that it provides. But also Google is not that dumb, and it will also know that there are the things or the shortcomings of Bard, and they will try to overcome all these shortcomings in future when the Bard actually launches for everyone else out there. So this was just a short and quick comparison of ChatGPT and Bard. Do tell us in comment section whether it was helpful or not, and if you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.